Sometimes you need to get more than a tool belt to the job site. The Hain Company's turned its measuring system into a portable cutting station. Imagine being able to take your table saw through a door or up an elevator, and in less than 15 seconds have it up and running. But the folding measuring system isn't just a table for your saw to sit on. With the push of a button, you can make fast, accurate cuts that speed up production right at the job site. We'll show you how it works. Let's say you want to cut at 100 inches. Just punch in the numbers on the control box and hit the go button. The display updates to show you that the stop letter I is the one you want, while the FMEA's rail moves so that I is exactly 100 inches from your saw blade. Just put your lumber up and make your cut. The stops are lettered so you can use any system of measurement you like: feet inches, metric, or decimal. And each stop is keyed into the main rail so there's no movement to throw off the measurement. So what if you need to make a more complex cut? The increment dial quickly adjusts your measurement to a 1/16 of an inch, and the plus and minus increment buttons below it will split the line to a 32nd. If you've made a mistake, that's no problem either. Just hit the back button and keep going. The FMEA is also smart enough to tell you if you're trying to cut something too long or too short for it to handle. And the display on the control box is even backlit for low lighting conditions. Well, that's it. You're now a fully qualified FMEA operator. The other guy's quick start manual's 93 pages. Ours is only 1. The FMEA comes in 72, 144, and 216-inch versions. It'll measure and cut anything your saw can. Universal mounting brackets make it easy to adjust for any saw base. Use the bolts to attach your saw with the 1/4 inch or 5/16 inch holes, and then raise or lower the saw to match the height of the FMEA. Once the saw is on, calibrate it by measuring from the inside edge of the blade to the first stop on the rail, using both a straight cut and 45-degree angles. Make sure you account for compound miter cuts if necessary. Setting up the FMEA is a 4-step process. Pull the release lever and let the legs swing out and lock into position. Do it again on the other side. Drop the extension arm onto a sawhorse. And finally, plug in the power. The FMEA also features a heavy-duty frame made from 3/16 formed aircraft-grade aluminum with reinforced pivot joints and stainless steel hardware. A material support arm with roller adjusts to help load lumber. And the transport dolly wheels let you take it just about anywhere with only one person. So pick up an FMEA, take it where you want it, and get your job done that much faster.